Hello students, now I am going to continue the chapter Mathematical Logic of 12th standard, exercise 1.5 and the question number 4. So the question is, write the symbolic form of the following switching circuits, constructs its switching table, that is input output table, and interpret it. So see the circuit diagram. So here is S1, S2 dash, S1 dash and S2. So these 4 switches are there. So again we have to write down like this one, that is P, that is switch S1 is closed, Q, switch S2 is closed. Then negation P, since there is a S1 dash and S2 dash, we have to write down negation P, that is S1 dash is closed, and for negation Q it is S2 dash is closed. Now see the symbolic form of this one. So here all these switches are in parallel combination and these two are in series combination. So S1 means we have to write down P. Again both these switches are in parallel combination, so we use the symbol that is disjunction. S2 dash means a negation Q. Again this third part means this third line, these two switches are also in parallel combination, so we use the disjunction. And for these two we have to use the conjunction because they are in the series. So negation P and Q, here we write this one. We have to put down the bracket for these two, that is P disjunction negation Q, disjunction negation P conjunction Q. Now the similar way we have to write down the switching table, that is nothing but the input output table. Since only two letters are there, P and Q, so we write here P and Q, that is next one, that is negation P, then negation Q. After that we are going to find out the P disjunction negation Q, then the second bracket negation P conjunction Q, and in between these two means in these two there is a disjunction. So the last column will be this one, total example symbolic form. So that is TTFF, so 1100, then TFTF, so 1010. We have to write down the negation of the P, so 0011. Next one negation Q, that is 0101. Then P disjunction negation Q. So see P disjunction negation Q. So see the, I am going to give the numbers to these columns. So we are going to take the disjunction, that is P disjunction negation Q means हमें 1 and 4th में disjunction लेना है. So what is the rule for the disjunction? If both the statements are false means 0 0, then it is 0. So find out first this one. So here is 0 0, so it is 0, otherwise it is true. True means 1. Next negation P conjunction Q. See negation P and conjunction Q. तो हमें 3 और 2 के बीच में conjunction लेना है. 3 third column and 2 column. Now see the rule for the conjunction. Again, if both the statements are true, then it is true, otherwise it is false. So true, for true we can write here 1, and the false, that is 0 0 0. And last one we have to take the disjunction between these two. So 5 and 6 के बीच में हमें disjunction लेना है. So the rule for the disjunction, if both the statements are false, that is 0 0, then it is 0, otherwise it is true. So no false statements are there, so here we write that is 1 1 1 1. So इसका मतलब क्या है? We have to interpret the result. So since all the in tautology we see that is the last column will be the true, then we said it is as a tautology. All statements are true here. So इसका मतलब ये है कि the lamp will glow irrespective of the status of the switches. Means switches कहाँ भी लगे हुए हो, ये lamp glow होगा. So the lamp will glow irrespective of the position of the switches. This is the result or interpretation. Now see the second example. Now see the switches S1, इसके नीचे ये दोनों लगाए, मीन्स ये दोनों के बीच में पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन है और ये दोनों भी सीरीज में है, ये दोनों भी सीरीज में है और ये सब पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में है. So since again there are two switches, that is S1 S2 and their negation, so we write that is P switch S1 is closed, Q switch S2 is closed, negation P, that is switch S1 dash is closed, and negation Q, that is switch S2 dash is closed. So we have to write down the symbolic form. So for S1 we have to write down P, since S1 represent the letter P. Then इसके बीच में और इसके बीच में पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन, सो वी यूज द डिसजंक्शन. और इस दोनों के बीच में है सीरीज, सो सिंस देयर इज S1 डैश एंड S2 डैश, सो निगेशन P निगेशन Q, एंड उन दोनों के बीच में हम कंजंक्शन लगाते हैं सिंस देयर इज अ series combination. Here also series combination. So first we write S1 S2, that is P conjunction Q, और उन दोनों के बीच में भी parallel combination, so there is a sign of disjunction. So this is the symbolic form. Then we going to write down the switching circuit, switching table, or it is also called as input output table. So two switches are there, so TTFF, TFTF, that is 1100 1010. So negation P negation Q we have to write down. After that, just first I am going to give the numbers to the columns. And 7. Now see, we write that is negation P negation Q from this. After that we have to take this bracket, that is negation P conjunction negation Q. Then we take this bracket, that is P conjunction Q. After that we take these two, that is P disjunction negation P conjunction negation Q, and the last will be this total symbolic form we have to write down in the last column. See this. Now see, we write the negation P, so you know how to write down negation Q also. Then negation P and negation Q, so इन दोनों के बीच में हमें conjunction लेना है. So the conjunction rule, that is if both the statements are true then it is true, that is 1, otherwise it is false, so it is 0. Again P conjunction Q, see both these statements are we have to take the conjunction in between these two. So first one, that is 1 1, so here we write that is 1, that is true, and the remaining are false statements. Next one, P disjunction मीन्स P का ये जो फर्स्ट कॉलम है, फर्स्ट कॉलम और फिफ्थ कॉलम के बीच में हमें डिसजंक्शन लेना है. फर्स्ट कॉलम एंड फिफ्थ कॉलम के बीच में हमें डिसजंक्शन लेना है. तो सी थर्ड वन, दैट इज 0 0, देन इट इज 0, अदरवाइज इट इज ट्रू, सो द रिमेनिंग्स आर 1 1 1, एंड दिस वन इज 0. एंड इन द लास्ट वन, दैट इज P disjunction negation P conjunction negation Q. इसका डिसजंक्शन हमें P कंजंक्शन Q मीन्स 7 डिसजंक्शन 6 हमें लेना है. 7 डिसजंक्शन 6, 7 डिसजंक्शन 6. नाउ सी, दैट इज 7 डिसजंक्शन 6. सो इन दोनों के बीच में हमें डिसजंक्शन लेना है. दैट इज इफ देयर इज अ 0 0, देन इट इज 0, अदरवाइज इट इज 1. Now see, in this case, what is the interpretation? So the lamp will always glow except S1 is off and S2 is on. Now see, this P represents the S1 and Q represents the S2. So see, in this case where we see that is 0 0 means here lamp will not glow, means what is the situation here? Means if the S1 is off and S2 is on, then the lamp will not glow, means it glow except this in this condition. So the lamp will always glow except S1 is off and S2 is on. इस कंडीशन में ही सिर्फ लैम्प ग्लो नहीं होगा, बाकी सब कंडीशन में वो ग्लो होगा. Now see the third example. So in third case, see S1 S2 dash and S3 dash, so these are in parallel combination, और ये पूरा का पूरा सीरीज में इसके साथ है. यहाँ पे S1 and S2 S3 dash. So in your textbook there is one correction. In your book textbook there is only S3, but पीछे जो आंसर दिया है उस आंसर के हिसाब से हमने इसमें चेंज किया है. अगर S3 लेके अभी आप कर सकते हो तो आपका आंसर नहीं आता है, जो पीछे वाला दिया हुआ है, इसलिए अगर S3 डैश करके हम ये एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करते हैं तो पीछे जो आंसर दिया है वो हमसे हम जो सॉल्व करते हैं इसके साथ मैच हो जाएगा. सो देयर इज़ अ प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक, सो हियर वी take that is S3 dash. So see, since there is a S3 means three switches are there, S1, S2, S3. So for that we take the letters P, Q and R. And in example S2 dash and S3 dash is only given. So we consider that is negation Q, S2 dash is closed, and negation R, that is S3 dash is closed. Now see the symbolic form. See here, all these three switches are in parallel combination. So we write that is P, disjunction negation Q, disjunction negation R. So for that we put one bracket. और ये पूरा का पूरा बॉक्स इसके साथ सीरीज में है. सो हियर वी राइट द कंजंक्शन. नेक्स्ट ये जो है वो P है, सो P डिजंक्शन, ये दोनों सीरीज में है. सो फॉर दैट अगेन पुट डाउन द ब्रैकेट, दैट इज Q कंजंक्शन निगेशन R. और ये ब्रैकेट पूरा कंप्लीट कर दो. सो दिस इज द सिंबॉलिक फॉर्म ऑफ दिस एग्जाम्पल. नाउ सिंस देर आर थ्री लेटर्स, सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट डाउन द three letters, and you know that is whenever there are the three letters, there are 8 columns. So you know that is T, 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 4 times T and 4 times F. So for that 4 times 1 and 4 times 0, then T, T, F, F, T, T, F, F. So 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, and the last one that is T, F, T, F, T, F. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So negation Q and negation R. So we can write it. You know how to write this one. So you have to write on the opposite effect of this Q and the opposite effect of R. Now see, first we are going to write down the negation Q, disjunction negation R, and after that we write this total, because we can't write the three letters at a time. So we take these two first and then we write this one, that is P disjunction negation Q, disjunction negation R. Then we are going to find out P conjunction negation R, and then we take this total bracket, that is P disjunction Q conjunction negation R, and the last one, that is this total example, means this total symbolic form we are going to write down in the last one. Again I write here the numbers. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in the last we have to take the conjunction of 7 and 9. ये दोनों का conjunction हमें ये symbolic form में दिख रहा है, जो हमें लास्ट में लिखने वाले हैं. Now see, that is negation Q, disjunction negation R. Now see, ये दोनों के बीच में हमें disjunction लगाना है. Disjunction means if both the statements are false, then it is false, otherwise it is true. So first find out where there are the zeros, 2 zeros. So here 0, again here is also 0, only 2 members are there. So here we write 0, otherwise it is true. So true means we have to write down the 1. Next one, P disjunction, ये P का मीन्स फर्स्ट कॉलम का हमें 6 कॉलम के साथ डिसजंक्शन लेना है. नाउ सी फर्स्ट एंड 6 क्या चाहिए हमें डिसजंक्शन चाहिए. अगेन द सेम रूल, इफ बोथ आर द 0 देन इट इज 0. नाउ यू हैव टू कंपेयर दिस 1 and 6, 1 and 6. नाउ सी here we got 0, so it is 0, otherwise there will be no 2 zeros. So all the statements are true, so here we write 1. Now the next one, that is Q conjunction negation R. Now see, Q conjunction negation R means 2 and 5 के बीच में हमें conjunction देखना है. See, 2 और 5 के बीच में हमें conjunction देखना है. So see, 2 and 5 conjunction means if both the statements are true, then it is true. Now see again, if both the statements are true, then it is true, otherwise it is false. Now the next one, P disjunction Q conjunction negation R. Now see, here we have to take the disjunction of column number 1 and 8. Column number 1 and 8. So see 1 and 8. हमें क्या लेना है, हमें disjunction लेना है. So you know the disjunction. So if both are the zeros, see 1 and 8. If both are the zeros, then it is 0. See here we got the zeros, but here is no 0, 0 and 0. Yes, so here we got 2 zeros, so it is 0 in the ninth column. Next 0 first and 8 first and 8, so here we got 0. So all these members we get zeros, 1 2 3 4, and so first four statements are true and the last four statements are false. Again the last one will be the 7 and 9, so we have to take the conjunction between 7 and 9. So conjunction means if both the statements are true, then it is true. So first four we get here 1 1 1, and the last one, that is here, we don't get both the statements true, so it is false. So what is the meaning of this one? Means यहाँ पे लैम्प कब ग्लो होता है कि जब we get, that is switch S1. See here, first one we have to compare this one. Switch S1 जब on होगा तभी यहाँ पे लैम्प ग्लो होगा. In last four cases we see that is the S1 lamp is off, so here we see, get the result, that is it is off. So we have to write down the result. The lamp will glow when switch S1 is on. See, so when switch S1 is on, then and then the lamp will glow. Next, see the question number 5. Obtain the simple logical expression of the following and draw switching circuits. So you are given, that is P disjunction, Q conjunction, negation, Q. So first we have to convert it into the simple circuit. So P you know, that is Q disjunction, negation, Q means ये statement हमने अगर true है ऐसा consider किया, then true, and the negation of true, that is false. So true conjunction false, true conjunction false, it false. So here we get it by the complement law. So you have to keep in mind all these laws. Without this you can't solve these examples. So P disjunction F, it always P, it is by we get identity law. So we get the answer, that is P, means in this circuit there is only one switch. So we write the switching circuit like this one, only one switch, that is S1. Here we have to show the arrows. So this is all about the first example. Now see the second example. Negation P conjunction Q, disjunction negation P conjunction negation Q, disjunction P conjunction negation Q. Now first see these two brackets. In these two brackets, just I underline here, negation P conjunction is common. So we are going to take the common from these two brackets. So negation P conjunction we take common. So what are the remaining? So Q disjunction negation Q, it is the common, and the remaining part we write it as it is. So it is by the distributive law we write it. Next, that is negation P conjunction. So what is the result of this one? So true disjunction, negation of true means false, so true disjunction false. What is the answer? It is true, because if both are false then it is false, but here we get the true and false. The disjunction between them is always true, and the remaining part is as it is, so we use it by complement law. Negation P, so what is the result of this one? That is negation P conjunction T is always negation P, means here अगर P negation P भी नहीं हुआ, सिर्फ P भी होगा, तो the answer of P conjunction T is always P, that is negation P, and the remaining part we write it as it is by identity law. Now we are going to multiply this bracket by this negation P. So negation P disjunction P conjunction negation P disjunction negation Q. So again it is by complement law. Now what is the answer of this one? That is false disjunction true, then it is true conjunction, and the second bracket is as it is, and again by this complement law we get the answer, that is T conjunction P is always P. We consider this bracket as a P, total this one is P we consider. Then if T और P के बीच में अगर conjunction होता है तो इसका आंसर P आता है, मीन्स हमें वो bracket मिलता है. So we get here negation P disjunction negation Q, means only two switches are there. we convert this total circuit symbolic form in this form. Means ये और ये equivalent है. So we have to draw the figure with only these two. So since there is a disjunction, there is a parallel combination between this negation P and negation Q. So we draw here two switches in parallel, S1 dash and S2 dash. Next one, example number 3rd, that is P disjunction negation Q disjunction negation R, conjunction P disjunction Q conjunction R. Now see, again here P disjunction and P disjunction are common. So I take P disjunction common and the remaining brackets. So negation Q disjunction negation R conjunction Q conjunction R. So it is by distributive law. So here we can take the common, that is negation, we can take the common from this bracket. So P disjunction as it is. So from this bracket we take the negation common. So this disjunction becomes conjunction. So Q conjunction R conjunction Q conjunction R. It is by De Morgan's law. Now again see, both the brackets are same and here is a negation. So if we consider it as a true, this total bracket is a true, then it is negation of true, means false. So false conjunction true. What is the answer? It is false. So by identity law we get this one. And P disjunction, F is nothing but the P, means only one switch is there. So S1 we write here. So this is the circuit diagram of this one. Next one, question number 4. So this is the last example from this chapter. So P conjunction Q conjunction negation P, disjunction negation P conjunction Q conjunction R, disjunction P conjunction negation Q conjunction R. Now see, in the first bracket we just use the commutative law. हम इसका सिर्फ पोजीशन चेंज करेंगे. ये यहाँ पे हमने लिया, दैट इज P कंजंक्शन निगेशन P, इसको यहाँ पे लिया और इसको यहाँ पे लिया. आफ्टर दैट निगेशन P we write all these two brackets as it is, and here we use the commutative law. So I write here that is commutative law. After that see, again in these two brackets conjunction R is common in these two brackets. Yes. Now see, now what is the result of this one? That is P conjunction negation P. The result of this, just I am going to underline this one, that is P conjunction negation P. The answer of this one is F. Yes, and now this conjunction Q is as it is. Now see, we are going to take the common, that is conjunction R is common here. So remaining statement, that is negation P conjunction Q disjunction, and the last bracket, that is P conjunction negation Q. So this is by distribution, distributive law. Now the F conjunction Q, the result of this one we get by identity law, that is F, and the remaining bracket is as it is. We are going to write it as it is, there is no any change. Now see, here we are going to write that is F disjunction. ये जो मैंने यहाँ तक जो अंडरलाइन की है, see here from F up to this bracket. So हमने ये ऐसा कंसिडर किया कि ये टोटल P है. जहाँ पे मेरा पेन मूव हो रहा है, सपोज ये टोटल P है, मीन्स F disjunction P. What is the answer? It is P by identity law. So here we write the P as it is. So ये टोटल ब्रैकेट ऐसा है और ये जो कंजंक्शन आ रहे हैं वो as it is. Now there is no any change. So we going to interpret the result, that is circuit diagram. So ये दोनों स्विच जो है वो सीरीज में है, so हमने सीरीज में लगाए. So negation P, that is S1 dash, and Q, that is S2 as it is. Next one, that is P conjunction negation Q, means ये दोनों भी स्विच सीरीज में है, S1 and S2 dash, और ये दोनों यहाँ पे डिजंक्शन है, so they are in the parallel combination, and R जो है, that is S3 is in series combination. So here we add the S3, और ये टोटल हमने पूरा कंप्लीट किया. That is, here is the battery and the lamp, and we have to show the arrows. So this is all about the exercise 1.5. So here is the end of this chapter. and the next lecture we will see in the next part, that is in the next lecture. So thank you.